Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Tokio Marine easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Tokio Marine website. Once you're on the home page, look for the budgeting tools section. Click on the budget calculator feature. You may be prompted to create an account if you haven't already. Fill in your personal details and create a secure password. After signing in or registering, navigate back to the budget calculator. Start by entering your monthly income. Next, list all your fixed expenses, such as rent and utilities. Include your variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Be sure to account for any irregular expenses, such as annual subscriptions. After completing the entries, review the total income versus total expenses. The calculator will automatically show your budget surplus or deficit. If you have a deficit, consider adjusting your variable expenses. For a surplus, plan how to allocate these extra funds towards savings. Once you're satisfied with your budget, save the plan in your account. You can also export it as a PDF for future reference. Review your budget regularly to make necessary adjustments. Monitor your spending daily to stay on track with your budget. Use the insights from the calculator to improve your overall financial health. By following these steps, you will effectively manage your budget with Tokio Marine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.